For years, boat docking has been approached the same way, consistently yielding the same problems. Traditional methods using bow lines, stern lines, spring lines, bumpers, and fenders are all hassles in tying up your boat and cause bumping, banging, and other damaging movement. Finally, there's a better way. Introducing SlideMoor, the evolution of boat docking. SlideMoor is an easy-to-use, safe, and long-lasting boat docking system. Here's how it works. The patented SlideMoor system secures your boat tight to one side only, allowing it to move securely through waves, wind, and tides. SlideMoor is maintenance-free, works in severe weather conditions, and provides 24/7 peace of mind. For over 15 years, SlideMoor has been protecting boats in over 26 countries, with thousands of happy users in virtually any kind of vessel. So eliminate the hassle and discover peace of mind by joining the evolution of boat docking. Explore our site and contact a SlideMoor specialist to find out how SlideMoor can be your docking solution. SlideMoor, the evolution of boat docking.